how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a spider. This one's gonna be another different version. I have many spiders. Go check out the spider playlist if you have not. But this is yet another version. It's gonna be more of a squatty kind of, I wouldn't say childish spider, but near that. So it's very chunky spider on this one. All right, let's get started. Gonna go over here, circle for one eye. I'm gonna draw the eyes first. Another eye over here. Right next to it, looks like another egg pretty much next to it. I forgot to say, if you're a beginner, like I said, this is perfect for you. Absolutely, you can do this easily. Just grab a marker, grab a pencil, doesn't matter what you use. And yeah, follow along with me. There's another circle behind that. This one's gonna be a little bit behind there. So right now it looks like we have 3 eggs or something, right? Go over here, circle on this side. Everything's a simple shape so far, right? We got 4 egg-like shapes. Everything you do, by the way, is also, you want the impression of it. You don't want the exact carbon copy of it. I mean, I guess you do want it, but, you know, I would say it doesn't really matter. You can absolutely just chill. You don't have to, like, you know, like bend backwards trying to, like, find the angles of this stuff. As long as you have the impression, it's completely fine. Let's draw a circle around this for the head. Like there. Go down here for the fangs. Line up like that triangle, like this big fang, curve. So it's underneath there. And that looks like a little tornado or like an upside down triangle. Line over here, up. Curve around the side here for that side of the head, and then curve on this side for this like simple shape. So far it looks like a Metroid, to be honest, but it's not. Gonna go over here on this side, curve. We're gonna have one leg down. The leg's gonna be pretty much the same shape as that. That's one leg. Let's go over here on this side. Another leg, another spider leg. And these, like I said, they're different. They're squattier. They're smaller. That's going to be the design of this guy. One more over here. Over here on this side. Out. Down. Let's go over here at the top. Line. And I'm going to curve right for the back part. I believe for the spiders, it's like the head, the thorax, and the abdomen, right? So I think we're just gonna cut it. We're just gonna draw the. We're gonna cut out that middle part and make them look squattier. Well, you know, we're not gonna cut the middle part out. Let's put the thorax in there. Curve right there. See? It's the thorax. And then now we're gonna put the abdomen, which is really big. Okay. Right over here, curve. Right there, we got the abdomen. Really different looking spider, right? We could put more legs over here. A leg, and another leg. Like a spider with really short legs. We could put little spots on this spider, almost like a ladybug, but it's not. And then I'm gonna do something with the eyes here. I'm gonna maybe find a triangular shape inside that, and I'm gonna fill that out over here as well. Curve over here, curve over here, curve over here. And there you go. That is kind of a strange looking spider there. It's got like short legs, and it's like a little squattier, a little cuter version of what, you know, a normal spider would be. Thank you so much. I appreciated it. Hit the subscribe, like I said. And also what I want you to do is ask a question, say, hey, what's up? anything. If you can hear my voice right now, say what's up. Thank you so much. I'll reply to every single comment. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.